Hi, my name is Teri Lee from Sweet Pea Papers, and this is a flip through of my Flipbook that I made in a project called One Digital Kit Two Ways, a collaboration with Lisa Fisher. Lisa and I both did the same kit, which is Yellows and Blues by the Journal Boat, and we did two completely different projects. Hers is a book made out of, with a hardcover made out of envelopes on the inside, and mine is a flip book. So this way you get to see two distinctly different ways that you can use one kit. Now on my flip book, it's made out of manila folders, but I put this lace on top so that you can't see the tops of the folders. And this is a beautiful page out of the kit. And then I've added all of these three-dimensional butterflies and this cluster to the front. And we have the ribbons that are tying it shut on the sides that I tied very loosely so that they would come open, and I'm still having difficulty. Okay, so now I'm going to have to slide this back and forth to show you the pages because being a flip book, it's really long. So when you open the book up, on page 1, we started out simpler and then got a little more complicated as we went along. So this page is a simple side tuck with using 3 circles as your tuck. Here's a tag and a bookmark and a writing card. Most of them, and I used a piece of cardboard and I pulled the paper off and used the lines on the cardboard, the ridges, to make the writing lines on the writing card. Okay, I'm going to slide, which is kind of funny. Anyway, page 2 is a CD cover, and the CD cover has a writing card inside. Grab the little tab, and it's the part that I cut out of the middle, so that when you slide it back in, it makes one continuous picture. Sometimes I forget the card is there. Then you open this up. It's held by a Velcro dot, and when you open it up, there's several tags and just a little bit of ephemera, and I added this butterfly. Oh, and as a side note, I went through and on every single butterfly I colored their little bodies with blue glitter ink, and that way they're all very shiny. I don't know if you can see it on there or not. And then there's a writing card that you can take off so that you can write on it easily, and then underneath is another one of the beautiful pictures from the kit. So we'll close that back up. I'm going to slide back this way. And on this page, we made a diagonal belly band out of this strip of flowers. And then this removable notebook, when you open it, the inside is coffee dyed paper, and then the actual pages of the book are coffee dyed paper. And the beauty of this one is that it's held just with one staple, so when the notebook is full you can just undo the staple from the back and put in all new papers and still keep the pretty cover. Okay, on this next page, this is a writing book in case you haven't discovered yet. You'll find a lot of writing cards, writing tags, and bookmarks. So excuse me, on this one is a flip up holder for a writing card, but this is a beautiful fussy cut flower that I made. I keep saying beautiful, but this kit is just gorgeous. And then when you flip it up, I added these butterflies, and then on the writing card I added even more butterflies, and on the back is some coffee dyed paper, and then I added this additional writing card, and it has coffee dyed print on the back and more butterflies. I love butterflies. I got a little carried away. Maybe not. I love them. And so then on the next page, we have a giant fussy cut bouquet of flowers that's used as a tuck, and we have an envelope that matches, and inside are some postcards. Have fun making this beautiful fussy cut. It will only take you a little while. Oh, and also, and I always forget, when you're looking at this page, there's a writing card that was built into the actual book, the pocket. On the back is the coffee dyed And I used one of the large writing cards from the kit. Now on this page, this is my 5-pocket page, and let me take the stuff out so you can see. There's a pocket here and a pocket here with some ephemera in it. Then the whole pocket itself is a pocket. And we've got this ephemera in here. Then there's a built-in pocket here that's under the paper with a big writing card with coffee dyed paper on the back. Oh, this card is really pretty. And then there's also, for number 6, there's also the built into the book writing card with the coffee dyed on the back. So that makes 5 pockets on one flipbook page. I was kind of happy about that. And on this page is what's a microscope slide I used. I duplicated a CD cover only in 4x4 instead of 5x5, and I inked the inside, and I stole the cellophane out of a CD cover, and underneath are some beautiful butterflies and some little bits of, believe it or not, shredded paper. And then also there's a hidden writing card that comes out of the top. And I believe, yes, it has coffee dyed paper on the back. That slides right down in there. And then on the last page, there is the door page. And you open the door, and there's a pocket here for a tag. And then there's a pocket over here that I made into a tuck. And I added the word notes, and I put in 3 more postcards for you to write on. And they all have lines on the back. But the best part is you open the door, and the door opens this way. And there's the back of the door. And then there's a pocket here. And there's soon to be a hidden pocket here, and it's so hidden I keep forgetting to put it in. Now, on the back, when you flip it over, there's a removable, this is the same picture as the cover. There's a removable manila folder, expandable folder that is held shut by a string and brad, and I did it without the little brown circles of paper. And then there's 2 large writing cards on the inside, and they're white on the back. That's okay. I kind of like them that way. Everything else is coffee dyed, coffee dyed, coffee dyed, and there's a lot of white in this kit. And so there you go. And this Velcro's right on the back here so that you can put it back on. And then that's the book. So there's also another page. I made a different version of the doorway page, the last page, and I decided not to use it, but I wanted to show it to you anyway. This door page is made out of 3 envelopes and not 2, and so there's a pocket on the top here, and this is different paper as well, but still from the kit. It's one of my favorite pages. And then it opens this way, and there's the door again, and a side tuck that doesn't have anything in it because I didn't use it. Okay, and then it opens back this way. It's held with a Velcro dot, and it opens back this way, and it opens out this way, and there's the pocket there. There's a pocket here, there's a pocket here, and a pocket here. So this is the extra page that I have that I ended up not using. So that's the whole shebang, yellows and blues, with a digital kit from the Journal Boat, and in a collaboration that I did with Lisa Fisher. So I hope you enjoyed the flip through, and this is Teri Lee from Sweet Pea Papers saying I'll see you in the next flip through. Bye bye.